Let's embroider this applique hoodie dress. First, let's prepare our materials by cutting down our fabric. I'm using the design template I printed from my digitizing software for sizing. Once my fabric is cut, I'll use the fabric as a template to cut my heat and bun light. I'll iron on the heat and bun light, placing the adhesive side against the back side of the material. Once the fabric has cooled, I'll add it to my cutting mat so that my Cricut machine can cut the applique letters for my project. Next, I'll find the center of the hoodie dress by folding it in half. I'll use my heat press to crease the center mark just as a guide to make sure that my design is centered. Then I'll take the design to the hooping station to get my hoop centered with the crease, and I'll decide where I want to place the design. After I have my design placed, we'll head to the machine. Here you see the machine stitch out the placement stitch for all 3 letters. Once the placement stitch is done, I'll peel the adhesive backing from the applique letters and align them with the placement stitches. I'll start the machine for the tack down stitch, which will tack down the letters to the garment. Once the tack down stitches are complete, the machine will continue with the final satin and decorative stitches to finish the design. And there you have it. We're all stitched up and ready to go. For the last step, I'll press the completed design with a heat press to ensure the fabric letters are properly bonded. Thanks for watching.